We've traveled the Carolinas, Mardi Gras, and even the Sunshine State. Bringing you the sound of the Sandhills. We're raising the bar, leveling up our game. After all the hours we spent to get here, the passion in our practices, perfecting each note and each song. The moment you've been waiting for is finally here. From dusk to dawn, through the heat of the summer and packed stands on game days. Introducing the newest drum majors for Campbell University, Anna Miller and Matt Voles. This is your time. This is your moment.